melted the woman. Welcome to Nevada.
This is the old highway that runs past the Hoover Dam, and even though the road in the distance is the new superhighway that goes past the dam, now people are rushing by, driving quickly and not enjoying or not seeing the grandeur of the Hoover Dam and Lake Mead. This old road now is just used for people to walk on. And at least in the past it would have taken a lot longer, but at least people would have had a momentary experience of seeing the dam and the lake.
Alright, so you're going, let's say, Chevrolet Impala. So,
Heavy.
You know, we're here at the Hoover Dam, and it's an amazing example of engineering skill and imagination to carve out of this area that's a desert virtually and turn it into something productive, turn it into the electricity that is needed throughout Nevada and California and Arizona. The interesting thing is this is an example of the kind of the creative engineering, physical engineering that people are capable of. Just an hour's drive from here is Las Vegas, where we've had to escape because that's an example of where commercial engineering has turned a city, a piece of real estate, into this sin and gambling capital of the U.S. And so you have these two contrasts, you know, the beauty, the strength, the power of human engineering and creativity. On the other hand, how it's been turned into this commercial neon plastic culture that's just a few kilometers away. The rock formations of the desert are really amazing. These rocks have been here for thousands of years, almost untouched, slowly showing their age, slowly being eroded away into sand, but still majestically standing in isolation here in the Arizona desert.